Hi everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. And this video I will show you how to quickly create and edit diagrams using EdrawMax, and even if you are a complete beginner. So let's start it how we can do. Simply search in a Google EdrawMax and then simply click on EdrawMax Online free diagram maker powered by AI. So when you click here, so now you have option, you will log in. If you are not logged in, so just log in here. And now you can see after login there is multiple options over there. On the left panel there is home page and recent my documents, all these. And also at the center, just like Canva, there is already templates available over there. You can choose any template from here. Beside that there is options you can use, like for you, whiteboard, flowchart, mind map, and charts, slides. There is multiple options over there that you can use. It's completely depend on your requirement, what you are going to prepare. You can simply choose from here. So you have lots of templates already available over there. So for now, for example, I'm going to search here solar system with battery process. Then I will click on the template. So now you will see what are the templates that I can use, and by simple search I got multiple templates, and I will click on the first one. So now you can see this is the template that I can use for diagram, and it is also, you can say, dependent on the prompt, on the requirement that you just mentioned over there. So now you can see this is editable. I can delete some information from here, and also I can add some shapes if I want. Beside that there is a pie chart and flow chart and diagrams. I can add in this one, that the template that I got by a simple search. So when you click on a draw agent, so now you can see there is a chatbot where you can write a complete prompt, and according to that AI will give you a feedback. So it's working like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. But the point is, it's really something that is completely for diagrams. So it will definitely help you. But if you are going to make diagrams, so it's really a better platform for you. So for example, I am just going to proceed with this mind map. So now you can see it's completely simple, and you can edit all this information, and you can also create flowchart and infographics. So these are very simple but very attractive mind maps and flowchart templates available out there. So you can get different diagrams from here. So it's completely depend on your need, that what you are going to make. So you can simply search in the chatbot and also in the search of templates, so you can get all these information from here. So for example, I am going to write a prompt, and according to that they will give me a feedback that usually we can get from AI like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and also DeepSeek, etc. So you can write here and then you will get a response, and according to that you can further edit. You can see at the top there is a plan that you can buy if you want to make it more perfect. So there is monthly plan and there is annual plans available over there. And beside that, if you are not going to invest money here, so you can simply use the free version, and I believe that it will definitely help you. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.